Okay, we are off to the Freedom 250 in DC, taking the train down. I'm going to bring you along for the ride and show you what this is all about. Let's go. See, that's the pit lane over there, you see? So the security here is insane. They didn't even let an iPad come in, so my wife is currently outside. And the viewing areas are rather limited, but we're gonna go look at the grandstand area and see if we can't figure that out. Cool. Yeah, remember when Gran Turismo had that soft tires or hard tires? And then they got rain tires, so if it starts raining, they can throw the rain tires on. So this looks like the kind of like a pavilion area. Those are probably the suites, but look how cool this photo is. If you're in the suites, you can see some of the buildings, the Congress building and beyond. grandstand area for the stripe section. Those are the suites up there. And if you're not in the grandstands, you're not going to be above the fence. So we got very close, but we obviously had to look through the fence. And then that's the suites entrance. So you go through there, you get into all the suites, and then kind of the yard area out here has all kinds of things. People are playing cornhole, they got drinks and food, and then they have big displays with everything as well. So let's go ahead and check out this yard area and see what it's all about. But you can see those are the suites, how they have it set up. I think those are like $5,000 or something crazy. Tons of cornhole and games. But we were able to watch the second practice, which was a blast. Even looking through the fence. I mean, this is just amazing. Great experience.
And it looks like high above the streets of Washington, D.C. As the driver who sits P2. California native, Java House sponsorship on that car. Let's see what happened with Pato here. Ooh, the bumps, the bumps, the bumps. Turn 6.
So we got a little bit of a red flag going on. Somebody hit one of the bumps. Racing.
Running that same line we saw Pato Award run, that he nearly had an incident. Graham running that same line, but boy, back in.
So the AMR safety team there, with all the tools that they carry with them, is the amount of cleanup time in this red flag stoppage versus if we had to bring a tow truck out, all the rest. So the safety truck is going to vacate the scene. NTT INDYCAR Series, and Scott McLaughlin has posted the fast lap on that last trip around. He went up to P1 and was the first time.
All right, this thing has greatly exceeded my expectations. We actually got good views of the track, and there's just all kinds of cool stuff here, and everybody's having a good time. So kudos to Indy for putting this on. It is pretty dang awesome, and we loved it. Hope you found this useful. If you want to watch the race, obviously, watch the race online. But this gives you an idea of what you can expect if you come to one of these. Hopefully they do this again. This is Jason with jamzDOTnet, Cars, DIY, and Adventures. Thanks for watching and have a great day.